So for the PS5 digital edition, you'll be able to play digital versions of your PS4 compatible games on the PS5 digital edition console. These will be compatible PS4 digital games you have already purchased or plan to purchase via PlayStation 4 on PS4, PS5, web or PlayStation mobile app. Since there is no disk drive, you won't be able to play your PS4 disc-based games on the PS5 digital edition. So that is why I fucking hate this digital edition. I'm sorry for the language, but hear me out. Uh, in my opinion, this digital edition, it's all just a scam. So first of all, you think you are paying less, around 100 to in some cases $150 less, depending on the country. You'll be like, oh damn, that's like really nice of them. I'm paying less on the start. What can I possibly lose? Well, actually, you lose a heck lot. If you have friends which have PS4 or PS5 discs, you can't play them. There's no way to get that on there. Alright. And about buying new games, you will always have to buy them on the PS Store, which does not really give you a whole lot of room to argue with, because it's not like a PC where you can buy your game from anywhere you want. You can only buy digital games for the PS5 from the PS Store. That's it. And in many cases, the PS Store sells them on a uppercut. Let me show it to you real quick. PlayStation. Alright. And here's Amazon. So let's look for The Last of Us Part 2. Alright. The Last of Us 2. A lot of people like to play this. So it's around 228.59 in India. So if you convert that money converter, so 28.59, so that's $39, around $39 with a, and by the way, no taxes are done on these products in India. And if you look here, let's go to games, PS4. Dude, give me a sec here. And this is the only place you'll be able to buy PS5 games, by the way, if you buy the digital one. So now let me show you the pricing real quick as soon as it loads. Where's the search bar? I can find it. Okay, here it is. So let's look for Last of Us Part 2. Last of Us Part 2. So how much is that? 4,000, right? And how much is 4,000? So see, the Amazon price was around $40, and this here $55. So if you just take a slight amount of your brain out and use it, in the long term, you'll be wasting a hell lot of money than you'll be saving on the launch. You'll save 100 before and lose a lot later. I mean, a lot. For example, if I want to buy a really like old game, for example, let's go for Horizon Zero Dawn. It's 831 here. How much is 831? 831. $11, right? So let's look for Horizon Zero Dawn here. Horizon Zero Dawn. Complete edition, right? This is the complete edition as well. Complete edition here. 1,500 rupees. 831. $11. 1,500. $20. Now just consider that $10 upscale on every single game on average. Alright, if you don't trust me, I can show you another game. Let's go for God of War. $941. $12, right? God of War. Where is it? It's ridiculous how they do not show you the newer games first. That's kind of insane. How can that be? They're not selling it or what? PS4. Yeah, see right here. Again, 1500 rupees. $12? 1500? $20. So let's just assume you buy 10 games from here. In just buying 10 games, you'll be on the same cost you will be on the disc version. And in the future, you'll just keep spending more and more and more on every single game. Don't buy this console, guys. That's what I'm just trying to get across here. Don't buy a digital edition. It's a fucking scam, alright? Anyways, let's get on with the video. PS5 with a Blu-ray, blah blah blah. You can play digital versions of your compatible PS4 games you downloaded from PlayStation 4 and PS4, PS5 web or PlayStation mobile app. You can also use physical PS4 game discs. You see, here you can only do this. Digital edition PS4 games only on the digital edition. There is no way you can convert your physical discs into a digital edition PS5 game. On this one, you can use the digital, you can use the disc, and you are saving a lot of money on the disc. And in some cases, you can get them for free. For example, I have a friend. He or she has a copy of the game I want to play. I can just have it from him or her for a limited time, limited like whatever, dude. It's a friend. They can give it, if they are really good, they can give it to you for however long you want. Play it, give it back, no money required. Although you can do the same with a digital edition by sharing accounts, but that is just more of a hassle because only one person can play it one time and then becomes a bit messy. So that's it. In my opinion, just save up a bit more, get the PS5 with a disc. You will save a lot in the long term and thank me later, okay?